This video presents the execution of scripts targeting MySQL database engine as a proof of concept for retrieving data from other database engines than SQL Server. The idea came from a previous colleague and friend, Daniel, whom I spoke recently, and who told me that I should increase the application coverage by allowing data retrieval from other database engines. With that info in mind, I installed the MySQL ODBC driver from Oracle website and the latest version of MySQL database engine on my Azure VM and used a basic example of retrieving the data using ODBC connection. If ODBC drivers for other database engines are installed on the computer running the application, then with some modifications, we can retrieve data from those remote databases engines as well. I exemplified the retrieval of data from the local MySQL instance on the VM for the purpose of auditing using an example from CS, but this time for MySQL database engine. You can also see that I changed the way in which the script type is set from a typing approach to using buttons and clicks to reach the desired script type. Before, application was allowing the execution of TSQL scripts targeting SQL Server and PowerShell scripts targeting Windows operating system, but now it allows the execution of SQL scripts, I called them, that can be executed against other database engines like Oracle, MySQL, and so on. The introduction of data retrieval from other database engines, which usually runs on NIX machines, made me realize that application in the future should be able to run commands and scripts on remote Unix or Linux servers also. I might look into this after I will finish some of the work I still have for the audit control proof of concept. In the future, I might check how much will cost me a Linux machine with MySQL installed for a month in order to allow me to write some code that will connect to remote NIX machines and run either commands or scripts that will retrieve data. I already looked into the options available using ChatGPT and might be something to chase in the future. At the end of the video, I am showing the execution frequency control updates, which covers the setting of the control values based on the string storing the schedule information. For the time being, I am parsing the string to set the values, but due to the number of lines I ended up having in the method that does that, I start to believe that maybe that approach of setting the values is not the best way, and maybe I should just store a dictionary of the control values together with the generated schedule. These are details, but I believe they worth being mentioned.